Ever wondered how you could seamlessly blend your passion for shopping with the thrill of earning rewards? Or how about a platform that turns your everyday spending into something extraordinary? If these questions pique your curiosity, then you're in the right place. Let's talk about Favepay. Now, you might be thinking, Favepay? Isn't that just another payment app? Well, hold that thought. Because Favepay is more than just a payment app. It's your personal financial superhero, your shopping sidekick, and your reward enthusiast all rolled into one. Imagine a world where every purchase is an opportunity to earn. Where discounts, cashback, and rewards are as common as finding your favorite song on the radio. That's the Favepay world. At its core, Favepay is a digital wallet. You can store your money securely, send and receive payments with lightning speed, and even top up your mobile data. But that's just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start exploring its features. First up, let's talk about Fave deals. Picture this, you're craving that new pair of sneakers, but the price tag is a little steep. No worries. Fave Deals brings you incredible discounts on a wide range of products and services. From fashion and electronics to dining and travel, there's something for everyone. And the best part? You can stack these deals with cashback offers to maximize your savings. Now, let's dive into Fave Rewards. This is where things get exciting. With every purchase you make, you earn Fave points. These points are like little treasure chests waiting to be opened. You can redeem them for amazing rewards, from exclusive discounts to freebies and even cashbacks. The more you spend, the more points you earn, and the bigger the rewards you can unlock. But wait, there's more. Favepay also offers a feature called Favepay Later. Need a little extra breathing room for that dream purchase? Favepay Later allows you to split your payment into interest-free installments. It's like having a personal shopper who helps you manage your finances without breaking the bank. And let's not forget about Fave Protect. Your financial security is our top priority. Fave Protect safeguards your transactions with advanced encryption technology, giving you peace of mind every time you use the app. So, there you have it. Favepay is more than just a payment app, it's your financial partner in crime. It's the app that turns your spending into an adventure, rewarding you for every purchase you make. With Favepay, you're not just paying, you're playing. You're earning, you're saving, and you're living your best life. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Favepay app today and start your journey to financial freedom and rewards galore. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.